If you're looking for a gorgeous, updated, large estate home on an acre just outside of Orangeville with a master bedroom on the main floor, then you need to keep watching this video. Hi, I'm John Walkinshaw from Royal LePage RCR Realty, and I am thrilled to introduce you to 64 Brookhaven Crescent in East Garafraxa. This home sits just meters away from the road that separates Orangeville from East Garafraxa, and that affords it less taxes and a beautiful spacious area. This property is 1 acre, just over an acre in size. It's got a gorgeous exterior on the home. Obviously 3 garages, 4 bedrooms, plus a den that could easily be another bedroom. And one of the nicest features is that it's got a main floor master bedroom with an incredible bathroom. It's just a haven and a suite in itself. This home actually is a very short commute to the Orangeville bypass, which makes for a really quick entry back down into Brampton or Toronto through the 410. And the bypass also would get you heading other areas east or west. So it's the perfect home to have a nice rural setting with some space, but still be able to get to and from work. Nowadays, with more and more people working from home, what an amazing situation this would be. Let's take a peek inside. Here we are inside this gorgeous home. As you can see, right from opening the door as you come in through the front double doors on the front of the home, you're immediately grabbed by the vaulted high ceiling in this hallway. We've got beautiful ceiling feature above the doors. We've got an incredible chandelier, and we've got an incredible feature of the theater balcony that overlooks the entrance as well. That room is the den area, and we'll take a peek at that when we go upstairs. But this home is incredible. It's perfect for a family of any age. The main floor actually has 2 bedrooms on the main floor. We've got the master bedroom, just as you come in the doors through a nice big set of double doors, a large bedroom, massive big windows that let in all kinds of natural light in the daytime, and a gorgeous ensuite with a soaker tub and a separate shower unit, all ceramic tile, and a double sink, of course, and an amazing walk-in closet that would be perfect for any couple. Just down the hall on the other side is another bedroom. It's actually just across from the kitchen. I know I'm jumping around a bit, but I think it would be perfect even for a young family that wanted a baby that would still be on the same floor. On this floor, we also have a formal dining room on the front of the home. Again, a very large window that overlooks the front of the property. We've got an incredible family room with a beautiful French doors that leads out into the backyard, as well as a gas fireplace and a beautiful fireplace surround. Hardwood floors throughout the entire main floor area, other than the kitchen area that has ceramic. The kitchen is large and bright. It's got a walkout to a deck that's perfect for barbecuing. And again, lots of cupboard space and beautiful stone countertops. The laundry room is just on the other side again, and a door that leads out into the garage, which is the perfect garage for anyone. It's got 3 cars, spaces for parking, and so much more for storage as well. And we've got a little treat about what's above the garage whenever we're looking at the upstairs. Let's take a peek upstairs. As you come up the stairs, you will immediately see on your right-hand side a very generous sized bedroom with gorgeous big windows overlooking the front of the property and 2 separate closets, which are perfect. We also, across the hall, have a nice den, which is a really cool space. Again, a good window overlooking the back of the property, and it's got the balcony that has French doors that can be closed off for sound or left open to have that airy type feel to that room. It's a definite feature for this home. And I love that this den has a 3-piece bathroom associated with it as well. We also on this floor have a 5-piece bathroom with 2 sinks and another 4th bedroom which has beautiful corner windows and again a good sized room with a double closet. But the real bonus in this upstairs space is this room above the garages. It's a really cool room that could be used as a separate apartment almost, with a bedroom, and it's got a little sink area, as well as you could have a fridge, and it could be a perfect hangout for teenagers or a perfect place for crafting, or you name it. You can use your imagination. And it's got windows that overlook the front of the house, the side of the house, and the amazing backyard that we'll take a peek at next. Let's head out there now. Here we are outside on a gorgeous afternoon. I love the fact that the sun sets on the back of the home, where if you were entertaining or if you decided to put a pool in the backyard, you would have sunlight in the whole day, including the evening. In this particular property, you would be able to do a pool in the backyard because you do have the septic on the side lot, not taking up space in the backyard. There's so much open space. It's like you're in a park. We've got beautiful bushes and trees between here and the property behind, and pretty much open, beautifully cut grass everywhere you can see. If this house and area and lifestyle is attractive to you, then please give me a call today. It would be an honor to serve you.